Hello everyone. Sorry for worrying you and keeping you waiting. I am going to use text-to-speech when I have something specific to say, but besides that I will use this soundboard that KFP made for me ages ago. Thank you for this. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark.
Kikiriki? This Callie
Callie,
soundboard
there is
is
one
insane.
in this soundboard that I don't know the origin of, but it's kind of rude. Do you remember this?
You kind of fat, Callie.
That's a
Do you
warm
remember
welcome
this?
for me into the stream.
I love you.
Aw, that's sweet.
For best
You-
friends, Callie and Kiara.
Yeah, you're okay. I see, I see. Naruho Dome. Gah, that was pretty good gah. Nice
I'm
job.
sorry for triggering you.
What
Maybe some
game do you want to
chess?
play?
Play a little chess. By the way, I've never played chess on this thing before, and I don't know anything about chess, so get excited. Get away from me. Get away from me, sir. Come on, do a little tango with me. We're just doing a little tango.
I don't know how to checkmate this shit.
Shouldn't you have gotten me by now, Kiara? Stalemate.
Yeah! Beat the game! Yatta!
We're finally free.
Sorry, go cutie. Forgive me, please.
All right, I'll take it. That was